The ancient fortress of the legendary Raij Iapngar province is endangered due to encroachment of human habitation and farming expanse. The fortress is located on a hilltop where the apex enclosure consists of the sanctum sanctorum and the sacred grove, which is fenced by stone boulders and an entry through the arch stone. It is a province whose history is woven in legends, the most significant of which is the rice sowing ceremony known as Ka Shad Lukhmi. The ceremony during the festival is connected to the celebration of prosperity. The deity Lakshmi may be referred to the Hindu goddess Lakshmi. For a few years now, the week-long festivity had been discontinued due to lack of proper resources. At the site of the Lakshmi dance, all remnants and ossuaries of the major clans are still intact, though few others are in a dilapidated condition. One of the elders of the province, Wanbhakuparrambai, narrated the creation of Raij Iapngar and the legends connected to the province. One of the legends talks about the proud queen Yong Saring, who lost her throne and province to an ordinary lady Lo Shadab during a contest to display their urge for appetite. The queen demonstrated her lavish cuisine of sumptuous meat and vegetables, while the poor lady displayed her basket of lemons. As Lo Shadab consumes one after the other of the slices of lemon, the queen Yong Saring's mouth started drooling with saliva as she watched the poor lady relishing the lemons, and eventually Yong Saring lost the contest. Lo Shadab became the queen, and on several occasions the Jaintia chieftains attempted to invade the province for her beauty and of course that of the other damsels in the area.
Kedai lenti bagi tiup sah di sana sekarang menilai ni. Dekat pun ke pura mendai, temusuan dalam dep katakan, ya pemblang nang tina po, baca kaki orang Lukhmi, de pemblang tiki yawan kiu sini kan. Dalam kiu sini tiki Lukhmi kiju sam kupu, don gue geding jeri te, tiki ya sam ta, te tanang tahi kia pain sana, sino. Marsani pak kirong bintang tiki, kirong do, kirong ba, kiu baro, ki pendep ya kakenya sini. Te kamu suali suara perempuan pareng, ya kan ini kejaga kenya, mereka tahu kenya, gimana, mereka beriur kenya. Te kadon keduan, di sekemat, entah kalau fang nak sebenarnya, te kata kejaga ini kenya beriur. Te suara sedang kata kenya, te kijuan hi beriur kiba, nabar jong kan ika, himau Iapngar, Raij Iapngar, kijuan hi ban poi sa poi Shillong. Te kata Shillong, te itu kiling do kia. Besar kia pun kuat, kia pun sumber selai. Dalam deh kepor kenya, siwannya ramai ya tak kepriu sini wan kenya. Dan dalam deh pom lah deh kenya tak kepriu. Kita kini kenya apa baru kirong pak, kin hab hernang ni, saya kata kemaran tiap mit, hab sakmit angka. Deh dalam saya kestem, deh hab mit angka apa, bandit saya, deh ketanya, angka klau boleh, deh angka kadon kau bansai ya kita kiwat berkenya di jalan ke baru kin hapsai hangta ada minta kita yo lat on sesino jadi jengkut yang ini hangta suat saya khmat gini yang don ki mau siing jong kita ki longsan mansan ki mau song thai ki mau yu dang buan rementa la buan phusnem don bosumar ya kini jaka tena kita ki longsan mansan ro tip ki daya buan kam haga kim don su bakit kli ban sumar ya kini jaka di menta tong ini persang nani sakmat bah tolong bagi jingarap jeng ki sorkar ni kiri usimat ki belak ban yaram te nyimpen im yang ya kanika nongba jeng Iapngar sasisien nang ba kiweru kintip bangi ladon hang ni dei tang niki spas nem le daki hajar nem munswa kani ka jaka kala dei jongi ki khon ki ba ha ki po ke jing khot ki khasi te dei ni don hi kani ka jaka ko Iapngar ki sibun ki jaj taki jaj ki kur ki bami nang ni te haduk menta ki dang don bakila ya don keleng jong kani kari khasi te katelong jong ki kita ki sankur le ki don ki mau ba ni te kat kum ka parom hi katelong baro jong kita kari nang ni na Iapngar
ki kita ki
sankur hi ki de kita ki nengkong hi menswa ki don kita ki saring te hendre hadin jong kutuga jing ya kini si ma ko Shadab te ki saring ki lap het nang ni te hang ni nyum don su Te kita kisan kur ki barang don hang ni haduk mata ki de kita kisarap. Te don na pring kita kisarap ru ki la kala no sya kacai lungdo hari balap peni sno ka ki Shillong. Te urumbai, umarpan, usochen mokalai. Te kita buat sumer. Te kita di ki bopej bahaya kan ka kam jong karaj hang ni. Ten ha kita kisan kur ru mentangi don haru prakur nomor lamba kan ka jing yele niam te ngi nang penrung su si kikur ha mata kan niam korkom. Nri bopej hiya ka sunsar kadar hang ni. Ya khanda wa siap ha kan ni karaj te. Naduk mensua bar haru mentahi dong le hi ka ubasan rempai. Ho ngialik halang hi barok te ya ka kam ngiale lang hi tam long bakam bar hab simpat ya karai bakadu te. Dong le hi ka rempai badi khanda ko siap ya ka sunsar kadar.
The Raij Iapngar is under the administrative supervision of the 5 clans, the Rimbai, Shadap, Marpan, Swashen, Maklai and Sumer. Later, they adopted another 3 clans for ceremonial purposes, and the tradition prevails till today, even as the ancient rituals and ceremonies could no longer be performed due to various factors of modern intrusion. In this regard, the Indian National Trust for Arts and Cultural Heritage Meghalaya chapter had recently intervened in the preservation of the ancient heritage site and in the revival of the ceremony and festival of the Lukhmi dance.